Let's test how each fan performs at identical RPM levels. Let's get started. Hi, in this video, I'll unbox and present the Arctic P12 A-RGB fan, then compare it with other models at the same speeds. The products arrive in a simple cardboard box. They operate independently, so there's no need for a hub. Mounting screws are included. The two cables are for PWM and the 3-pin RGB connector. Both are daisy-chainable. The fan blades are translucent to properly display the lighting effects. Here you can see the motor specifications. There are rubber vibration dampening pads in the corners. The fan feels solid and does not wobble. Next is the recently released P12 Pro. Although it doesn't feature lighting, it promises significantly higher airflow performance. The motor appears to be massive. Here are a few comparisons. And finally, the P12 Max, which has almost the same design as the P12 A-RGB. However, this one does not offer PWM daisy chaining. Here are some images where I visually compare them. In the next test, I will compare them at identical RPM levels. The microphone volume has been increased by 15 decibels. It's also important to note that I'm using a PWM extension cable, so the fans can be placed as far away as possible from the computer supplying power. After that, I installed the P12 Pro and P12 Max into a PC case. The P12 A-RGB can go as low as 200 RPM, from 0% to 100%. And now, shut down. Overall, I think the P12 Pro performed the worst. It's not a bad fan, but at higher speeds, it produces an annoying noise. The P12 A-RGB is completely decent, quiet, and reliable. However, the clear winner is the P12 Max, which, despite moving the most air, remains relatively quiet.